My 15 years old Miele dishwasher keep alarming with the intake drain error. No water coming when it gets started. I'm gonna give it a try by myself. I bought this inlet valve from Amazon. And this is a SWIVEL hose fitting. Bought it from a local hose fitting store. It's a wire connector from Home Depot and a steel clamp. Yeah, first of all, disconnected the inlet valve from the hose. Remember, always cut off the power and the water. And open this box, you'll find the inlet valve. And what we need to do is cut this hose, cut off this hose and the wire, and just get rid of the old valve. There'll be some water come out, just remember, yeah, put a towel and get the pipe out and insert the valve into the pipe. It's a standard size pipe and the valve, so it will get a really good fit. Push it a little bit harder to make sure it's being connected very well. And yeah, put the steel clamp and tie to the pipe. And connect the wire to the disconnector. Insert that wire on the valve. There's two connectors need to be wired, and then wrap up with the electrical insulation tape. Then next step will be wrap up the water sealing tape on the SWIVEL, the hose fitting, and yeah, screw this hose fitting into the wall. Tighten the hose fitting into the wall. connect the SWIVEL to the hose. Carefully turn on the hose. You can hear the water pressure coming up. And plug in the dishwasher to the outlet. Then turn on the dishwasher. Yeah, let's see if it works. You can hear the water coming through, and it looks good. Let's check the hose if there's any leaking. It looks great. The new water intake valve working very well, and the dishwasher keep running again. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it will be helpful to you. Have a great day.